Hey all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to add a page to my planner, and I did a little bit of things off camera because, to tell you the truth, it was going to be my first time repunching a happy planner page, and I was just not up for doing that on camera. But it went well. It went very, very well. Pleasantly surprised. I now understand the anxiety that comes with repunching happy planner paper and doing it correctly. So this is a printout from The Secret Slob, and I'll link her YouTube channel and her website because her website's where you can get the printable at. She follows the Fly Lady system, and I've been doing a challenge in my Facebook group about the Fly Lady baby steps. Now the Secret Slob kind of narrows it down into 21 instead of the full month's worth of baby steps. So we've been doing her version of it. And I wanted to film this video not only for my planner, but for my Facebook group people we've been working on morning and evening routines, and then kind of showing them how I use the rest of the Fly Lady steps to work on some other things. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Let me see if I can zoom just a little bit so that you guys can see each section a little bit clearer. Okay, so morning routines, evening routines. Right now my morning routines consist of, and some of them are not going to be cleaning things, guys. I'm going to try and really step out some of the things that I do. So we do devotion, dress to shoes. That's one of the baby steps. Okay. I usually try to do my workout in the morning. That will change when the school year comes. Just because I get up so early for school, because I am a morning person. I get my best work done in the morning. But what I'm trying to do for workout when school returns is think of it as a me time, relaxation time, even though I'm working, like a de-stress time in the evening. Okay. I'm going to kind of go back and forth here. So evening routine is shine sink. Oops, I was ready to do that. Typically happens to me. Okay. Shine sink. Remember, progress, not perfection, people. Okay, it happens. 2-minute hotspot. Because usually, and I still kind of do this, I do my 2-minute hotspot while I'm cooking dinner because I'm usually setting timers at that time anyway. So sometimes it goes a little bit longer than 2 minutes, but usually that's when I get my hotspot done, which is my dining room table. That's kind of my catch-all area, okay? Over here we've got walk. This is with Sharpie. Sharpie's my dog, for those of you who don't know. There's going to be a different page about Sharpie coming up soon. So, and then we also do walk without because we're working on his separation anxiety. And this is a good time. Occasionally we'll take him because we don't want him to get so used to the routine that he knows, okay, this is their walk without me. We like to keep him on his toes. He is a very routine-oriented dog. I don't know why. It probably has to do with his trainer. But typically this is going to be our walk without Sharpie. Again, during the school year, usually what happens is the moment I come home, I take him right out for a walk because he's usually been by himself for a little bit. So that's kind of my current routine. Also right now in the summer, this is when I do my zone cleaning. So usually, of course, that's going to come down here. So maybe I won't put that there. I'll leave the rest of these blank. These are kind of what I do on a daily basis. Okay. And I'll add some things in. So you'll have to check out the Instagram or the Facebook page to be able to do that. Now there is something I want to change on zone cleaning. I'm currently getting ready to do week 3, and that's when I do my kitchen. Steph from The Secret Slob does hers in the second week. I changed my zones around. I'm gonna use my white gel pen here. This is the Uniball Signo from Michaels. Oh, can't see it, my bad. That happened. So this is my zone 3. So what I like is that she's already given you like all of the list of things you should probably do. Now my kitchen also includes my dining room. So this time I'm gonna switch to my Sharpie pen. Just because they're connected. So it makes sense to do both at the same time. So I like that she gives you the list of what the things are. And I'm gonna save this page. You know, I could laminate it, but I'm not really ready to do that yet because I'm still kind of working through my routines as well. So 15 minutes, it doesn't have to be every day. It's like an hour a week of zone cleaning, okay? So I'll check off what I get done and I'll save this page so that the next time I get to zone 3, I can look at it, be like, okay, where do I need to start first? Anything I missed, that's where we start. So this is gonna be zone 3. I'm gonna let that white out dry a little bit more, or that white gel pen dry a little bit more. Daily focus. All right, this is where you have like little different things to do, okay? Monday is the weekly home blessing. That's when she does her weekly home blessing. I kind of do mine throughout the week, and a lot of times it ends up on Sundays, but I don't mind keeping this here because it's a great way to do that. And those of you who know me, who've watched my channel, know that I do my sheets on Sunday. I do sheets on Sundays. So we will end up just putting a mark through that. But this is the great thing about printables, is like it gives you kind of a skeleton to work with. And then from there you can do things. So Tuesday she does plan and payday. So that's when she kind of goes through her bills. For me, this is when I'm going to make sure that I'm checking on all things Pink Zebra. So some of you know my Facebook group that's doing the baby step challenge. They're my Pink Zebra VIPs. So there's actually a prize for doing the 21 days. There's gonna be a raffle afterwards. So that's gonna be fun. So this is when I'm gonna check out all things Pink Zebra because my husband is in charge of the bills. So I don't have to worry about that so much. But this is when I'll check like bank account and financials and things like that. Anti-procrastination day is Wednesday, and I just love the terminology for that. So this week it is going to be one pile in the garage. So with everything going on in the world with Corona and all that, a lot of times the garage has become our holding area for things coming into the house. I know it's probably a little overkill, but so like we have a lot of plastic bags and we have a lot of, you know, junk mail and stuff like that. So that stuff has been piled up in the garage. So this week I will do one pile and take care of it. Thursday is errands day. You know, I don't have that many errands to run anymore, but we're gonna leave that spot open. Car and bag day, for sure on Friday. Also, I do my floors. That's kind of up here. But car and bag. So this week, I think we're gonna focus on the car. So I'm underlining that. And I actually wanna vacuum the car out because it's pretty gross in there, so. The trains. Okay, and then the weekend, really, I kind of take a break on the weekend. I mean, we do Sheet Sunday. And I kind of leave it for anything that didn't get done during the week. So if I notice that like something else didn't get done, we do it then, okay? Oh, I should also put on this one. This is when Imperfect Produce. It's now called Imperfect Foods. Hello, trains. I live in between two train tracks, which is a lot of fun, and I was very happy to find out that the Sharpie dog, when we got him, was not afraid of trains. In fact, he really enjoys them. He usually goes to the windows to watch them. So Imperfect Foods, that's going to be our, that's when it opens up for me to start shopping with them, and that it ends on Saturday at noon. So I usually try to get it done on Thursday and Friday. So Imperfect Foods. I have loved getting that box, guys. I highly recommend it. Really do. I've had so much more fresh produce in my house. Because one, it's, I don't want to say it's cheaper than the grocery store, because I'm sure I could, it's just stuff that I wouldn't typically get. Because they kind of put a box together for you, but then you can go in and edit things. So like, I don't eat grapefruit, so I made sure they never put grapefruit in mine. I go through a lot of sweet potatoes, so I get sweet potatoes every week, unless for some reason they don't have it in stock, okay? Menu, so I'm not going to put what days we're having these things, because I like to have, you know, some flexibility, but kind of the menu plan for this week, we're gonna have tacos at least once. Maybe we'll even do taco salad. We haven't done taco salad in a while, but we'll just leave it as tacos and put salad, question mark. And then we'll definitely have chicken. And then there's steak coming in this next box, so steak will happen one night. Maybe steak and potatoes. I don't always put my sides down. Usually chicken is chicken and veg. There will be a veggie with this other than potatoes. I try not to be too starchy. I think, oh, salmon burgers. I love salmon burgers. And then we usually do takeout one night, so. That is a long train today. I'm just saying. All right, we're gonna switch this to being zone 3 now. All right, we're gonna, oop, sorry. Widen back out. So there you go. That's kind of the gist that I'm going with this week. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe. You can find my Facebook group. I'll put a link in the description in case you want to find out more about Pink Zebra or you want to be part of this challenge too. You can also check out my Instagram at holygranola27, and I'll see you all later. Have a great week.